belongings behind. For your safety, please remain seated. Keep your safety restraints secured at all times. This ride is not recommended for guests with the following health conditions. Recent surgery or
Bam Bam
heart, segment mother,
on his first extreme power ride.
Thank you and enjoy your ride.
Enjoy your ride! Ano masisay mo, Claude, sa Tower Extreme Ride, o diba?
Wala lang. I was supposed to go there and ride, but I decided to not to go there na lang kasi takot ako ang last time.
Ay, wait lang, Claude.
Yun na yun. Yun na yun.
I love you!
Ano yung ipa-zoom? Ayun, ipa-zoom. Ano yung gamay?
Ikaw daw, babe.
Wala yan! Wala sa kanina! No!
Oh, taas pa niyan. Sakit ng tiyan. Elevator na open. Naila pa ako.
Biglang naiwan.
Yes!